shrouds shown in this video are meant to fit standard made ROV kits. Hello, we're the Eldo Sharks team coming from Dorado, Arkansas, and today we're going to be talking to you about how we made our shrouds for our ROV. To start off, we're going to be talking to you on what materials we were using to make the shrouds. So you're going to need a hacksaw, or alternatively a pair of scissors, a heat gun, safety gear. You're going to need a foam cutter, a clamp, a 1.5 inch pipe, and also a 2 inch pipe, as well as recycled bottles. 20 to 24 ounce is preferable.
Let's put on our face masks and safety goggles to get started.
To begin, you need to prepare your bottles to be made into shrouds. To start, you need to cut part of the bottle off with either your hacksaw or scissors. You need to cut it at about 7 centimeters from the top of the cap and about 5 centimeters from the very bottom of the bottle. So now that you have it marked as we do here at your intervals on the side of the bottle, you need to cut at these lines where you marked with the hacksaw.
Okay, after you got your bottle cut up, you have to mold it into a shroud shape. So we're gonna show you how to do that. First, you get these 1.5 inch pipe and a 2 inch pipe and put it together. Make sure that this stays equally. Then we use the quick grip clamp and get this straight so it won't fall off. After you're done with that, you get the shroud and get it to probably, on this side, it will probably have to be 5 here and about 7 here.
Coke bottles are very much like shrink wrap, as in when they're heated with very strong heat, they can be molded into different shapes. And we're going to be doing that with this Coke bottle to mold it into a shroud shape.
Down so we can take it off.
Now we're going to take the shaped bottle off the mold. It may look rough at first, but now is the step that we start transforming it into a finished product using the aforementioned scissors and foam cutter. And remember not to cut too much off of the front of your shroud, as to leave room for propellers unless you need to cut it off after you've measured it. A couple key components of your shroud are the inlets for water to flow through the shroud and to hit the propeller, and a notch or groove for the pipe here to be attached correctly. One thing we forgot to mention is fastening the shroud to the motor. This is a demonstration motor, so I'm going to actually attach this to our ROV, but we're going to use a similar shroud. To fully attach the shroud to the motor, you're going to need at least 3 of these number 6 1/4 inch screws, but make sure they're really small so they don't actually hit the motor on the way in, as well as either an electric screwdriver or a drill. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this method of making shrouds interesting.